So I'll give you a point for pickling. It starts with an F.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fermenting.
And
I know what.
I heard the word
Fermenting.
fermenting.
Same such as conditioner.
Yeah. So when you ferment something, it's going to last longer because these guys aren't around. And even though there's lots of bacteria, they're good then. Yeah, keeping it in a specific place and in something like a jar.
That's sealed.
I'm going to run out of numbers. Keeping it sealed. What's happening when you keep it sealed? If I kept you in a jar, what's going to happen?
They can't suffocate.
That's
So
right.
you're suffocating the bacteria.
Exactly. So these guys, they're looking for air just like we are.
Are we making kimchi? This looks
Kimchi
like
is also sauerkraut. But what we're making is more just a simple sauerkraut, which is a German word that basically means, well, I don't actually know, but it's fermented cabbage.
Yeah. My mum used to make
Oh yeah?
sauerkraut.
Cool.
Can you say it? Sour.
sauerkraut.
You want to give it another try?
Gosh.
So yeah, just try. You hold it, you ever play guitar?
Yeah.
So you kind of hold it just like a guitar pick, and then you just roll like this. But be careful with your fingers, and you just kind of roll like this. Give it a try. Oh, look at that! Good job! We got a pro over here. So where's the moisture coming from? Yeah, from inside. Oh, that's a point.
Look at the water.
Look at my water. Look at this.
Nice one. Keep it in there. Keep it in there. Pass it around. Just make sure it's totally squished down